Okay, so this is one of the work of my student in Indonesia. So before having taking the course, the quality is not there, even though she already used 3D Max and Corona, and I already shared the tutorial on YouTube, right? And she did everything based on the YouTube, and somehow still didn't get the quality. After she taking the class, 30 days challenge class from us, the quality drastically improved to be like this in only 30 days, right? So what do you think? Yeah, it's improved a lot. The Corona render is very, very helpful because it's very easy to focus on the creativity instead of fighting with the machine and finding the right rendering setting, right? So using Corona, you don't have to bother with the rendering setting, just use it as it is, and that's it, boom, finish. While if you use V-Ray, there's too much customization. We were using V-Ray for years, and lots of things that make us always fight with the software almost every day. So the Corona renderer is created based on V-Ray, and it's quite similar. The quality is nearly the same, right? Or you can say it is the same, right? But it's easier to use than V-Ray. And somehow lots of people still finding the way the V-Ray setting rendering. While we already give you the free tutorial in 3D Max and Corona in our YouTube. So you can check on our YouTube channel here, go to the playlist, right? And you can find interior rendering 3D Max Corona for beginner. Corona and V-Ray can be installed in one 3D Max, but you cannot use both at the same time. So you can go to interior rendering 3D Max Corona playlist. This tutorial is in Bahasa Indonesia, but you can turn on the subtitle, right? There's a subtitle by pressing the CC button. Once you press the CC button, you will get the subtitle, English and you subtitle, and that's it. So lots of people actually don't read our email that actually we also have a subtitle in our YouTube channel. No, you cannot use Corona rendering in SketchUp. They don't have the Corona render. So you need to use 3D Max. Actually, we also have a tutorial to start with 3D Max. Okay, go to the playlist. Here, you can see beginner getting started in 3D Max. You can find anything about how to start with 3D Max in this playlist. And then we also have playlists how to build a house using 3D Max. Okay, so we have a complete 3D Max tutorial. If you want to learn about how to create a chair in 3D Max, we also have this modeling playlist. So it's quite complete. Just make sure you check all the playlists. And we also have a business and mindset to improve your mindset and how to think about the business. I shared a lots of things in this playlist and about why you should not sell your image with a low price. But of course, you need to improve your quality, right? We also have a different crash course. This crash course is actually photography for beginner. As you know, in 3D rendering, you need to know about photography, like the composition, right? We also have the crash course held in Indonesia. So you can learn about the photography for beginner in this video, and we also have the English subtitle. So it's quite complete for you to learn if you only want to learn in a free way. And you can join our AVIS Global tribe and also the Telegram group. So you can ask anything on those two platforms. In the Telegram group is actually asking how much is our course. So our course is 30 days challenge using 3D Max and Corona. So the price is only 79 US dollar. It's very cheap. And in this course, we train you how to use 3D Max and Corona in only 30 days. So the image that we show you here, so she took the course, the 30 days challenge is changing her quality into this quality. Okay, that's the course that we have for global, but for Indonesia, we already have the video for SketchUp course as well. And just make sure you keep update with our tips and trick. Please follow our Instagram and also our 2G Studio Instagram.